welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm here to do a lazy hair do because sometimes I have I don't want to do anything with my hair. I don't have time to straighten it. I don't have time to curl it. So I just did this hairstyle yesterday and I really liked how it came out, and I want to share it with you guys. So let's get started. The only thing I like to use is this is like a teasing comb, but I like to because this is the little pointy stuff, and I just used a lot of bobby pins and an elastic. So this is what I did there. It really came out cute. So if you guys see color in my hair, I just did a video on that, so ignore the color here. So what I did is I grabbed the teasing comb and I grabbed the pointy, and what I did, I didn't do it all the way. I just did that. So I'm literally just gonna twist it up here, and we're gonna bobby pin it into place. You can use one or you can use two. I'm gonna use two because I really want it to be secure. So I did that one. So the other one, I'm gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. The other side of my hair, I'm just going to start. I'm gonna start twisting. Twist the hair. See that? And I like to push it a little bit forward just so I can get volume here. I'm doing why I call these cornrows, I don't know. We're just doing that. Bobby pin it. And then on the side, I like to do this side. And I also like to twist the hair like so. So I like creating that. And then I go to the other side and I do the same thing. Twist. Twist, twist, twist your hair. Oops, these bobby pins are. And I twist the hair like so. Bobby pin it. And bobby pin the side. So I literally just have all of these pins. Now I grab the remaining hair on the back and I just do a bun. I grabbed more bobby pins because I'm gonna need more. So I like to make my bun kind of huge, so I just grabbed it, and if I see and I just start pinning it down. You can do a big bun or not a big bun, but this is how I did mine yesterday. And I was just too lazy to get my hair down, so I just start pinning where I need to. Now if you like, you can just leave little hair sticking out or whatnot. But I think I'm gonna use one more bobby pin. So there you go. So that's how I did the bun. Now what I like to do is separate these, just push them to make them look more, push these forward a little bit. And you can hairspray it, and that's how I did my hair yesterday, which it came out really cute. I'll tell you a little bit on it. On the back here so you guys can see that. So I just did little, they just pin up together. So that's how I did my style yesterday, and I really hope you guys enjoy this super easy video. And lastly, you can hairspray it just to make it look cute and fun. So yeah, so I hope you guys like this easy hair tutorial, and if you guys like more hairstyles, just put in the comments below, and see what next hairstyle you guys like to see. and give a big thumbs up in this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.